Can you say that one more time?
I said we are engineers, we do not have fun.
Excellent.
Thank you. Okay, John, so our customers often ask, how difficult is it to set up the videophone?
The videophone has been designed from the ground up to be extremely simple, not only for the user, but to be set up. So first of all, when it arrives, for 90% of our customers, it's pre-paired to their Wi-Fi. So it simply needs to be turned on and it works. For the customers that in Australia that don't have internet, we supply the internet for them. We do everything. So once again, they turn it on and it simply works.
How do I set up all the names?
We do all that for you. So all you need to do is send us the names. So if the person you love, the son, his name is William, you might decide, I want a Bill button, so that it's a nice big text on a small button. We set up the Skype, we set up the phone numbers behind it, and you don't have to do a thing. Just email us or call us.
The other question customers often ask is, will you deliver and install in my location, and can I get internet?
Absolutely. So right throughout Australia, we'll do the installation for you. Our technicians will come around, they'll sort out the internet, the routers, connect up Videophone, mount it for you. And internet, we supply either fixed internet or mobile internet. And if you want to save a little money, you can even manage internet yourself, and we'll point you to the best deal that's around for seniors.
But can't I just install it myself, they often ask.
Absolutely, you can install it yourself. We send around a very small self-install guide. Basically, the hardest thing is taking it out of the box and unfolding the kickstand and putting it on your favourite table. And then once you're happy with the position, securing the kickstand down onto the table with a couple of sticky desktop clamps that we provide. After that, it just works.
So customers are often very happy to hear that they don't need to be there necessarily, and they might be on the other side of the world when their videophone is set up.
Yeah, and this is true of about 90% of our customers. They're either interstate, or they're overseas, or they're on a business trip, which is exactly when they want that face-to-face communications. So once again, we ship it, and upon arrival, either the user will unpack it and set it up, or if there's a clever brother, sister, a staff member, someone nearby who can do that with them or for them, they do it themselves. And if they have any trouble, which 90% of them don't, they can call us and we'll walk them through the process.
Thanks, John.